Are you tired of not being able to link contacts to your Salesforce cases? Learn how to enable contact roles in under 3 minutes. First, we'll activate the contact roles feature, then add it to the case page layout. Follow these 14 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Contact to filter the setup options. Now click on Contact Roles on Cases under the search results. Make sure that case contacts are active by checking the checkbox. Next, go to the Object Manager from the Setup menu. Then click on Case to open its object settings. Under the Details section, click on Case Page Layouts. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the layout you want to edit. Then click the Edit button to modify it. In the Fields section, click on Related Lists to expand it. Now drag the Contact Roles Related list from the palette onto the case layout. Click Save to apply the changes to the layout. Then click Save again to confirm and finalize the update. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.